Hello and welcome to my channel French is Fun. Today we are gonna talk about the combinations of letters and its pronunciation in French. So let's move on to our first combination, that is OI. OI is pronounced as OUA in French. For example, Roi. Roi is king. Second is OU. OU is called OU. For example, Roux. Roux is wheel. Now, third, AI. AI is called A. For example, May. May is a month. Fourth one is EI. EI is called A. For example, Ren. Ren is queen. Fifth is AU, which is called O. For example, Beau. Beau is handsome. Sixth is EU, which is called U or A. For example, P. P means a little. Seventh one is CH, which is called Sh. For example, Shante. Shante means a singer. Eighth, QU, which is called K. For example, K. K is a platform. Ninth, ON, which is called O. For example, Mo. Mo is my. Tenth one is AN, which is called O. For example, Sang. Sang is blood. 11th, UN, which is called For example, Brun. Brun means brown. Combination number 12th is IN, which is called For example, Pain. Pain means bread. 13th is IEN, which is called Ian. For example, Bien. Bien means good. 14th, ER, which is called A. For example, parler. Parler is to speak. 15th is AIL, which is called I. For example, travail means job. 16th, ILL, which is pronounced as ear. For example, beer. Beer is ticket. 17th is GN, which is called near. For example, montagne. Montagne is mountain. Let's move ahead. When C is followed by A, O or U, it is called K. And when C is followed by EI, it is called S. Next, when G is followed by A, O, U, it is called G. And when G is followed by EI, it is called J. Next, when S is present between two vowels, it is always called J. And when S is present between two consonants, it is called S. Now we are done with our combinations, so let's talk about the accents. Look at the first accent above E, which is called accent aigu, and it gives the sound of A. The second accent which you could see here is accent grave. It gives the sound of A. The third accent is accent circonflexe. It gives stress on the letter. The fourth one, the sign at the bottom of C, is called cedille and it gives the sound of S. That's it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video.